Hi, I'm Rachel, and today we're going to show you how to install the Fix-It kit for the SPAN Smart Panel. The SPAN panel is a smart panel that we install for our clients that allows them to manage their backup battery and, most importantly, during a power outage, manage the circuits that they use. First, we unscrew the top screw, lift out the panel inset, and now we're ready to install the support brackets. Included in the kit is an instruction sheet, 2 alcohol swabs, the brackets with double stick tape. Step 1 is to clean the panel where you're going to be placing your brackets. The alcohol swabs provided. Now you're ready to peel the tape off. It might take a little work. You got it, there we go. I'm going to place the brackets next to the lip about evenly. Press down to get a good fit here. Then do the same with the next one. It has enough stick that you can lift it up if you mess up your placement. Press down. And now you're ready to reinstall your inset panel. Simply place the inset, tighten screw, and you're all set. To learn more about SPAN panels, visit the link in the description or www.myelectrichomes.com. I'm Rachel, thanks for watching.